On June 21st, 2025, an Arkansas state trooper is running radar along Interstate 49 when a white Jeep Grand Cherokee blasts past at triple-digit speeds. What should have been a straightforward traffic stop quickly escalates as the driver makes aggressive moves across multiple lanes, appearing determined not to slow down. But as the trooper closes the distance, the driver's confidence fades and panic sets in. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
Now he's still in and out of traffic. Yeah, he's got to cause an accident. Maybe 10:36. It's took to 73. I believe I'll be 10:37. Yeah, he's getting back on the interstate. He's getting back on the interstate, southbound. He's stopping here just south of the interstate. The brake tag. Roy Robert, Tom, King, Tom. Driver, stick your hands out the window. Stick your hands out the window. Open the door. Get out. Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out of the car! Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. You know what you did? I just got on the highway. You're driving crazy 110 miles an hour down the interstate. I just got on the highway. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Yeah, if you can see the light up there, give me your phone. Let's stand up. Can you help me up? Yeah, roll up. Help me never get up. Yeah, go to me. Man, you went past wagon wheel at 110, in and out of traffic, driving crazy. I didn't know where to take a hit. I just got on the highway. Yeah, when you move to the damn intersection up there. The highway. Just moving over. Is that what you were looking for? Looking for your driver's license. Right, if you have to slide it sideways, oh. I'm 10:15. Yeah, that's why I pulled over. I saw you behind me, so I pulled over. Yeah, after you went past wagon where you were in and out of traffic, you must have saw me coming, hit the ramp, in and out of traffic, went over the intersection. Come on back here, you're under arrest. Yeah. Dude, I ain't gonna play dumb.
I'm asking you, so you saw me do what? I'm trying to understand.
What's your name? Back there. Have a seat.
Do I get to
No, you go ahead and clear it now. We've got a little bit of bud in the car over on the driver's side.
can I ask you? He arrested me for defense.
Oh, yeah. He was rolling, dude. No, not yet. Go ahead and send me to 1011.
Will I get a chance to talk to the other officer?
What's up?
Will I get a chance to talk to the other officer?
Yeah.
He hasn't really said anything to me, so I don't know. I'm confused.
His phone and wallet and his keys.
Okay. All right. I can do it and stuff. He ain't, all I'm going to do is take him. I got to take him to Benton County. That's where it started and stuff, so. All righty. I'll get that tote flip done. I'll leave him with you.
So you said that I was going how fast?
110.
Okay.
Went past the ramp.
So my car can't even go that fast. It has a speed limiter on it.
It can go that fast. I promise you they can.
The dealership, when I got it, told me I have a speed limiter on the vehicle.
Well, sir, you know what you did. You know what? How old are you?
I just turned 20. I'm 20.
You're 20.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's what I'm trying.
I'm 36 years older than you. I'm old enough to be your grandpa. So you can't lie to me.
I'm asking
about
questions.
what you did. I've been law enforcement long as you've been alive. I've been law enforcement 33 years. So you can't pull no crap on me.
I was just asking.
I'm just telling you what you did, and you know what you did. So you got a felony on you.
A felony?
Yes.
What's the felony? Fleeing?
Yes.
Okay, so I guess I'll just have to go to court.
Yes.
I'm not gonna say anything else.
You have the right to remain silent.
You didn't read my Miranda rights to me.
I just said you have the right to remain silent. I didn't ask you any questions. You better know the law.
So what all are you gonna try and charge me with?
Speeding, reckless driving, felony fleeing.
And out of Springdale?
No, out of Benton County.
Okay.
That's where I caught you at.
Roger.
I'm being nice. I'm not going to charge you with the bud you got, the roaches you got in there, in the lid. And you just got stopped here, what? For speeding? Randall Swab?
Randall Swab?
Yep. He just got you on the 11th for speeding.
Yeah, I told him that it was like a nighttime. I was cruising. It was cruise control. Yep. I was just cruising, coming from P Ridge.
You was at 94 then, right there at the same area where I got you.
I don't know. Am I able to take this off? My hat?
Yeah. You can take it off.
I'm not able to. No.
Let me see if I can.
2612
And then, do you have all my belongings? Like,
He put your billfold and all your phones and stuff up here. The rest of the stuff I'm gonna
what's the rest of the stuff?
in your car.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna do a storage on it.
What is that?
Everything that's in your car I have to put on here.
Is it gonna stay in my vehicle? Or...
Yes, it'll stay in your vehicle.
Alonzo Porcia was arrested and charged with felony fleeing, reckless driving, and speeding. He was held with no bond, awaiting a court hearing. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.